There is an ayat of the Qur'an, the benefit of studying the Qur'an, sciences. There's an ayat of the Qur'an that says, وَالَّذِينَ يُؤْتُونَ مَا آتَوا وَقُلُوبُهُمْ وَجِلَةٌ أَنَّهُمْ إِلَى رَبِّهِمْ رَاجِعُونَ. Those people who do the things that they do and their hearts are trembling with fear from Allah because they know that they're going to return to Allah. Aisha said, Ya Rasulullah, is this ayat talking about the people who drink khamr, they drink sharab, and they steal? When they do those things, they become repentive and afraid, and their hearts become trembling and afraid of Allah because of what they did, showing that it's a sign of iman when you make a mistake to be afraid. Is it praising those people as opposed to the people who do crazy things and it doesn't bother them? So is it talking about the people who make mistakes, zina and things like that? The Prophet said, no, bintu Siddiq, the ayat doesn't mean that. He said the ayat means those people who fast, pray, give zakat, and they are afraid that Allah will not accept it from them. These are the ones who are uppermost in the good deeds. Now, for all intents and purposes, what Aisha understood, anybody can understand that because it has its reality in the religion. But the Prophet came, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, told her, no, your understanding is not the one that was implied by this ayat. So if you study the science of a tafsir, for an example, you're going to comprehend what's the meaning of the ayat, the proper meaning. You're going to learn your religion. You're not going to be left to yourself to come up with your own interpretation. Like the man in Nigeria, he's married to 9 women right now. And the Nigerian government is trying to figure out, the northern Nigerian Muslims are trying to figure out, should we kill him or should we not kill him because he married more than 4 women, and he used the Qur'an to do that. The ayat in Surah An-Nisa, فَانْكِهُ مَا طَابَ لَكُم مِّنَ النِّسَاءِ مَثْنَى وَثُلَاثَ وَرُبَاعَ. Marry the women who are pleasing to you, marry 2 or 3 or 4. He combined all of them and he said, the Qur'an said I can marry 9 women. Where's the tafsir? Where did you get that from? So that's the benefit of studying the Qur'an. You'll get a clearer, comprehensive meaning and understanding of the Book of Allah.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.